Phone cases, like everything else we buy, just keep getting more expensive. It's become common to spend upwards of $50 or $60 to protect a device that could cost $1,000 or more. And honestly, it's funny because phones themselves are getting more durable too now that they have materials like titanium frames or Gorilla Glass Victus or tougher for the front and back glass. There is, however, an option for those who want to save a little bit of money, and that's the Cyrill UltraColor for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. We actually have Cyrill's simple TPU case for both the Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it's easy to see how basic cases like this still have a place in a world where wallet cases and ultra-durable multi-piece cases have kind of taken over. While the flexible UltraColor doesn't add any functionality like MagSafe compatibility, it does add a little more peace of mind with air cushions in all four corners and minimal branding in the form of a white bump around all of the cameras with the name Cyrill emblazoned across it. There's a little bit of a texture to the back panel which actually feels nice and soft in hand, kind of like it's mirroring Samsung's own glass finish, but the glossy side rails actually make it pretty easy to find the buttons even if you're not looking for them. As you might expect from the UltraColor name, this case is unsurprisingly colorful, coming in kale, deep sea, and dusk finishes, which are green, a dark blue, and a dark gray to black. Personally, I've been favoring the kale version as it offsets the Galaxy S24 Ultra's rear glass pretty nicely. Unfortunately though, I've got a bit of a bone to pick with the case, at least when it comes to that Galaxy S24 Ultra. The UltraColor is almost too form-fitting to the point where I have to wrestle it off of my phone when I decide it's time to change cases. It is of course not a bad thing in terms of security. The case definitely won't come off by accident, but I definitely don't enjoy struggling to change cases. And at just $35 for the Cyrill UltraColor across the entire Galaxy S24 series, it's an easy case to justify grabbing 2 colors or even a whole set of 3, which you can do down below.